If your Instagram account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review Instagram's community guidelines. Before appealing, familiarize yourself with Instagram's community guidelines to understand why your account may have been restricted. This will help you craft a more informed appeal. Step 2. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has been restricted. If you cannot access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Access the Help Center. Go to the Instagram Help Center by tapping on your profile icon, then selecting Settings. From there, navigate to Help and choose Help Center. This is where you can find the option to report a problem. Step 4. Submit an appeal. In the Help Center, look for the option that says Report a Problem. Provide a detailed explanation of the situation, including why you believe the restriction is unwarranted. Be polite and concise in your message. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Instagram will review your request and notify you via email or in-app notification about the outcome. This process may take several days, so check your email regularly. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Instagram requires understanding the guidelines, accessing the Help Center, and submitting a clear appeal. Stay patient while waiting for a response, and good luck.